Tired of tedious tasks eating up your day? Then get ready to unlock the power of automation with Zapier. In just 90 seconds, we'll cover the fundamental steps to create your first Zap. First, head over to Zapier.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click the big, friendly Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, you need to choose your trigger app. This is the app that starts your automation. For example, let's say you want to be notified in Slack every time you receive a new email in Gmail. Select Gmail as your trigger app. Next, you'll choose a trigger event. In our Gmail example, the trigger event is new email. This means Zapier will watch for new emails in your Gmail inbox. Select new email and click continue. Zapier will now ask you to connect your Gmail account. Click sign into Gmail and grant Zapier the necessary permissions to access your email. Don't worry, Zapier takes security seriously. Great. Now it's time to choose your action app. This is the app where something will happen after the trigger. In our example, it's Slack. Search for and select Slack. Next, you'll choose your action event. Since we want to receive a notification in Slack, select send channel message. Click continue. Just like with Gmail, you'll need to connect your Slack workspace to Zapier. Click sign into Slack and grant the permissions. Now comes the fun part, customizing your Slack message. Choose the channel you want the notifications to appear in the message text field. You can pull data from the Gmail trigger. For example, you can include the email subject, sender, and body. And that's it. Review your Zap one last time, give it a descriptive name, and then flip the switch to turn it on. Congratulations! You've just created your first Zap. Now, every time you receive a new email in Gmail, you'll get a notification in Slack. Explore different apps and trigger events, and automate your workday with Zapier.